Guys, the team over at DREO sent me out their ChefMaker Combi Fryer. We're gonna do the unboxing, we're gonna do the first look, go through some features. Y'all wanna stick around and check this bad boy out. I'm excited, let's go. Guys, gotta love it when they send the quick start guide. This thing is looking too easy, and you know there's an app for it. We're gonna get that downloaded. Whew. Can't wait to get this thing fired up. I dig that they come with these guides. This one's a cook and marinade guide. Take a look at it. Using their chef mode. Gotta love a good marinade, what do you say? Got the user manual here. You know there's a Facebook community. Let's go join that too. Cooking tray, cooking probe. Get this unit out. Nothing left in there. Let's get this set up. Gives you on how to use that water tank. So we'll hold on to this. Best part of getting these new gadgets is taking off the tape. And what's more satisfying than peeling off the... Oh yeah. Oh, that's so nice. Open it up. Some of the fun parts is going through the packaging, get it all unpackaged. It's like one of my favorite parts of doing these unboxings, checking out the packaging, checking out the good parts and pieces, getting to know the machine. Guys, let's take a look at the DREO ChefMaker Combi Fryer. Yeah, this bad boy produces excellent food performance using its combi cooking technology and its continuously expanding master level cooking programs. This cooker is equipped with a dual sensing probe, water atomization, and super convection heating systems. ChefMaker ensures perfect doneness, browning, juiciness, and aroma. Guys, using these preset programs ensure every dish is cooked to perfection by covering a large variety of ingredients. And not only can you use the display screen to set up your cooks, you could also use that app. So let's go ahead and get that downloaded. Okay, we're connected to the Wi-Fi using the app. It's gonna, of course, ask me to update because that's what it does. As we set up the app, we downloaded the firmware, or, did an update on it, kind of shut off for a hot second. Now it's going through all the updates, getting this thing completely set up so when we do our first cook, it's easy as just hitting a couple buttons and calling it a day. As you can see, there's the chef mode, which is what we're gonna use when we use the first cook, because I know the first cook already is gonna be a big old steak. We're gonna use this little grill plate in there, but there's also the classic cook using the probe, set the temperature you want on the probe, go back, favorites, obviously the cooks that you like to cook. So let's check out the chef mode. So we got beef, pork, poultry, seafood, vegetables. Obviously you have tons of options. So if we want to see beef, all right, so we could slow cook a brisket in there. Obviously it shows the probe is required to use. Beef jerky, short ribs, chuck roast, prime rib. Oh my goodness. There's so many options that you could set up this bad boy and set it and forget it. And I'm gonna show you this too. We're gonna do a ribeye, right? He says to use the grill rack, ensure that the probe is in correctly, right? Throw a little butter on it. We'll go through all that. We of course gonna want it on medium rare. Now here's the cool thing. Do you want it on sous vide or classic? I've been wanting to mess with some sous vide. I think this is an easy way to jump into that ocean. So I think we're gonna go that way. Classic cooks, just air fry, defrost, roast, toast, bake. This is like an all-in-one cooker right here. I'm excited about this. I have some other, 46-in-1s, 100-in-1, with cookers that do so many options. This is gonna be a fun one to mess with. Another cool feature is we got a glass facade on the case right here, so we can see what's going on. We got a light button right here, on and off. You see what's going on while you're cooking. Love it. Team the DREO ChefMaker combines culinary expertise and food science to deliver perfectly cooked meals every time. With this app, guys, this thing is so cool. It allows you to cook at your own pace, offering you a step-by-step video guided recipes, cooking processes, updates, notifications, and more. So I really suggest if you guys get this thing, get that app. Guys, this is such a futuristic cooker. The display, the interface, the cooking guides, everything is well thought out on this cooker. All the components on the inside are dishwasher safe. And you know that's a time saver when you're cleaning after you cook up, right? Cooking modes on this thing, you know, are for the newbies, for the, you know, the moderate cooks, and for the experts out there that know how to cook by feel and by temperature. So this cooker really does do it all. Guys, this thing is gonna be a beast. I can't wait to mess with it. Now, we got the regular cooking plate that goes in there, and then we got that little grill basket in there. Obviously, you're using the grill basket when it tells you to. Using that ChefMaker setting is gonna take your cooks to the next level. Guys, I suggest you use the quick start guide. It'll give you obviously a quick start in what you wanna do with your ChefMaker here. So guys, I downloaded that app. Took no time to set it up. We did do a little firmware update on the ChefMaker here. What I'm digging about the instructions on using that ChefMaker AI is it tells you, use your probe. It tells you, use the grill basket or this plate. It gives you everything you need to know. It has a water reservoir on the top right here. That is what helps with the cooking process. It's that atomization of that water. You use the water in there to help cook your food evenly and helps achieve the doneness that you want without overcooking it or just giving it that heavy duty direct heat from the heating element, right? Right. I have a bunch of cookers, and y'all know the brand I normally work with, that have a bunch of things they call, you know, 14-in-1, 11-in-1, 45-in-1, whatever. This thing has so many functions and so many options to do on your cooking that you can't go wrong with it. I've spent a lot of time researching this bad boy, and I'll tell you what, I watched this on Guga's channel, Sous Vide Everything, and I'll throw the video up there so you can check it out too. I think the video's almost a year old now, so I followed this all the way through. The amazing food you can cook on this by just pressing a couple buttons, setting it up exactly how it tells you to set it up, and you can't go wrong. So guys, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, right? Comment down below what you think I should cook on this bad boy. Now, I know I'm gonna do a steak next, and when I do that video, I'll make sure there's a link for it up there so you can see how we do the steak. Like I showed you when we were going through the functions on this bad boy, you could do a traditional cook or a sous vide cook. So we're gonna do the steak both ways on there, and maybe have Mrs. CJ come out and do a little taste test with us. What do you say? So guys, just a quick video to go over the ChefMaker Combi Fryer. I hope you guys are as excited as I am to get my hands on this. Like I said, I've been following the journey of this DREO ChefMaker for a while now. It started on Kickstarter. They raised, I think it's $1.7 million because so many people were so excited about this awesome AI cooker. I can't wait to get cooking. Hope you guys are just as excited as I am, and we'll see how this goes. If you guys happen to want to get yourself one of these DREO ChefMaker Combi Fryers, I'll have a link down below in the video description. If you guys would like to become a show producer, like all the awesome people scrolling in front of me, people that can't wait to see what we do in the ChefMaker right here, there are two ways to join up. Either you hit the Patreon link in my video description, or you hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by, and thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.